Hi, welcome to 3ioNetra 2.0, and this is the dashboard screen where once you log in with username and password, you will come to this specific screen, dashboard. And what we do for the first time is once you enter, we will go to the masters and we get the booking masters created. Like we have a deity, a Nitya Seva, donation, and coupon. So deity is all the deities that is present in the temple. You will go ahead and add the deities through these options. Similarly, you will also get the Nitya Seva done. And if you have any donations that you take, that's general donation, building, or education, you will go ahead and add it via this button. And lastly, the coupon module is something wherein you want a receipt to be generated without any information to be taken from the devotees. So basically, this would be a quick method wherein you can generate a receipt without taking more details of the devotees. So, for example, you have Annadana Seva, you have Laddu Prasad, free entry. A token is generated against each of the coupons that you have added. So once we're done with filling up the masters, we'll go to booking. So this is where this booking is done in a one screen window wherein you get the devotee's detail, you select the seva and you select the payment mode. So you have two options over here. If you do not wish to take devotee's detail, then you can just disable this section. You will be only entering the name of the devotee and just the mobile number. So this is a must-have information, and that is where you will go ahead and select. So for time being, I'll just go ahead and get the entire details filled for booking a Nitya Seva. So you can search by the option of mobile number and Sevedar once you have the masters created for your devotees. If not, you will fill in for the first time, you will fill in all the details. And then once the details has been registered, you can just select my name, the pop-up will arrive, or else you can also select a mobile number. So once I have the information filled for WhatsApp, you can just copy the same number if your mobile number is same as your WhatsApp number. And then I'll go ahead and select the puja that I want to perform. So I want to get a one-day seva booked on my name, and I can go ahead and get the payment method as per cash, check, POS machine, or else UPI. So currently we have not integrated UPI in this demo section, but once we have the temple register and if they sign up for the UPI payment options, then that would also be you will see the option of UPI here. So basically for UPI you will get a static QR code, and that QR code will be in front of the counter or maybe a temple. A devotee will go ahead and get the puja booking done and get a UPI transaction. That transaction can be mapped to this specific receipt. So each of the transaction is matched or mapped to the specific receipt, and that is where the there will be no hassle of getting the accounting. It will help your accounting of all the receipts generated. So once I go ahead and get, for example, I will go ahead and get this as cash option. So devotee has given me 2000 cash, and in return I'll give him 999, and then I'll click submit. So you will get a print mode. You can also send this to WhatsApp, and that is where we need a WhatsApp number. So this is how the receipt is generated. If you want to go ahead and print physical receipt, you can go ahead and print. If not, you can also send a WhatsApp. And by default, there will be a SMS triggered to the devotee once the receipt is generated. Similarly, you will go ahead into donation module. If someone wish to get a donation done, the process is same. You have the information already pre-filled. If not, then you will enter it manually. Once it's done, if he wants to get a general donation done, say he wants to donate 1001, and if you wish to go ahead with the check, you will enter the check number, similarly an ICR number. We'll click on submit. The same process, you get print, send WhatsApp, and close. So when it comes to coupon module, currently we have got 4 coupons added, and probably in a counter where when you see that there are thousands of devotees coming in, you just want to get a coupon that needs to be printed. For example, the Prasad coupon, if you think that you want 10 coupons to be printed, then you can go ahead and get this printing done. You just need to click on submit. You can select the mode of payment over here as well. So going back to the reports of all the sevas that has been generated, we can see there is a Nitya Seva report that has been generated. And we have date. We can also get a date-wise report. We can also get the count-wise report. Similarly, we have reports for each of the section, donation module, coupon module, and all the booking report. This gives an entire list of all the bookings that has been done. You can get a filtering done on the date. You can also select by the medium. If website is connected to the software, then you can also view those information as well. You can also collect the bookings to devotee app, volunteer app, the counter software, and the Netra software. So all these platforms are integrated into one system wherein you can get the detailed report over here. You can also select on the basis of the payment, the mode of payment. You can also select on the basis of cash, check, POS, UPI, online. You will also be able to download this Excel report. And if you also wish to go ahead and get the printing done for your report, you can get this done as well. At times you want to see the status changes. Those things can also be done from here. Next would be the voucher report, wherein you can generate a voucher report as well. So as I mentioned, we have the masters for all the deities, Nitya Seva donation coupon. Similarly, we have member master, wherein all the member details will be listed here. If you have new member or new devotee coming in, you can add your devotee information over here as well. But I would rather go with the booking option, wherein you can take the information there and it gets filled over here. Similarly, you can also add the bank and cash account master as well. So if suppose you have to assign a counter wise accounting, then you can get the naming done and you can provide the information here. You can give the opening balance of the amount and the date selected. Similarly, you can also integrate your bank accounts, Union Bank and ICICI Bank. What you see here, if you have another bank, you can go ahead and add it over here. Moving on to expense master is something that we have 3 options: expense ledger group, ledger name, vendor master. So all this masters is something you have on the top right. You get the option to add the required information. You can go ahead and fill in the vendor master in the initial stage, and then you can go ahead and it will help you in while getting the accounting thing done. So this is how the cash accounts looks like. For example, the counter 1, the date of 6th of April, we can see the opening balance was 2500 and there was all this bookings been added to this list. Similarly, you can also get the bank details. If you see that the payments are move into a specific bank, you will get a passbook option, entry options over here. This is similar to the voucher entry, wherein the mode of payments that has been done to your vendors. So if you want to go ahead and add vendors, you will fill in these details and the process would remain same. So under the admin options, you can create rules. When it comes to Nitya Seva, what are the options you want to be shown as a field enabled, and which are those which you want to must have informations. If you feel that this information is not required, email, you can just disable it and it will be disabled from your information on the Netra Seva booking. Similarly, you will also get the institution master where you can update the information. You can go to this edit option. You can fill in all the information, your receipt settings, or the setup can be done over here. So let's also move on to the website option, wherein we have also have a pre-built inbuilt website option where there is also a CMS content management system platform wherein you can go ahead and get the details updated to be there on the website. So we have a similar basic structure of website wherein it contains of about us, contact us page, image gallery, video gallery, news updates, and the website settings. So this is like the theme that you have. You can also integrate the payment gateway system to this website wherein you can get the donations or save a booking done online. And as I mentioned here in this report, you will be able to get all the information that are done through your online booking. So if you go ahead and select this online option, payment mode online, and medium, you can select the website. You will get the information in this report, and then you can get it downloaded as an Excel file. So we have got more modules that will be implemented, or that will be live in this Netra 2.0. And under Netra 1 we have the entire setup ready. So we're just in process of moving it to Netra 2.0. So this is the basic structure what we have right now, and so we have all the modules that will be break down on the top header. Thank you, and have a nice day.